Yeah, welcome here, traders. Come to today's trade ideas and signal. So without wasting time, we are jumping right into it. So yesterday we made some analysis and we tried to bank on, you know, continue with where we started. I mean, yes, today is Wednesday. So we talked about this level here and it is in anticipation for this particular level that we have. So if you watch yesterday video, you understand all those levels better. And this trade also has been taken out of the market. So it is these two trades that we had that is going on. So we are trading within this level here. We are trading within this level. So this particular level is where we are in the market. And for the fact that we are within the level, so for the fact that we are within the level is what is the reason why we are experiencing this struggle to break up of that high. But anything can happen in the market, so price can just continue. Price can use this level to come down at the same time continue to go up. So anything can happen from the level. But from our understanding of what is going on currently, this level is coming from daily, except daily want to create a shift, a proper shift, even though we've created a shift here. But from the reaction and the liquidity below this low being taken, price can continue to do what? Can continue to go into the highs. But nonetheless, we have this level here, this particular something that is creating a struggle. And as you can see, we are creating a swing high and anything can happen. This level can be taken out or we can take out this level into the highs. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. And there is no hope. We are only playing probability game, numbers game in the market. So we have this trade on, this particular trade on, even though we are still trading in between within our point of entry, and that's the reason, the benefit of higher time frame trading. So having this level here now is something for us to reckon with, and we have these two trades going on, and also we have this particular trade still trading. We are within this level, and it's going on too. So it's something that is, and is only we are yet to tap within this level here. So this particular trade can come. This one that we have here, this one that we have here can kind of, this level, this 4 hour level can come down, take out these two trades, and at the same time, you know, and at the same time take out all these levels. But nonetheless, we have how many trades on? We have three trades on and one on one awaiting order to be tapped. And I gave some analysis yesterday from within this level on 15 minutes. So this happened to be our trade yesterday, which I did pick. I use this level as our, what is it called? We are within this level yesterday. So as our something, as our level triangular, something that we are anticipating that if peradventure price break out of any of the level, that will be able to kind of like capitalize on it. And as you can see, price breakouts within this level yesterday closed above it, even closed above this high here on 15 minutes. But price refused to do what? To go into the highs. And that alone is an indication that we have is an indication that price is not willing to go up yet. And with the fact that we are expecting the fact that we are expecting price to break above this high, then it is an indication that we are looking to capitalize on whatever price decide to do from this level. So, but for the fact on Monday I placed a trade around this area for sell because of the kind of price projection that we have from within this level, believing that okay, this level might be giving us some kind of reaction into the low. to capitalize on our orders, limit orders that we have on ground. But as we have it, price decided to break above it and close even above it. Then we're making this level, this our support level to turn resistance. I mean, this our resistance level to turn support. But nonetheless, in the midnight, we have price breaking below the level as well. So, which is an indication that we are entering into a consolidation. The fact that we are entering into consolidation, I thought the consolidation would be over soon, and that's the reason why I used that triangular expansion to kind of use it to judge. But market leads we follow. So the fact that we break above this high, and price decided to come down again, which is an indication that price is not yet ready, and it's kind of figure out something for us. I told us that we are within our version 1 to 3 now, our strategy of version 1 to 3. And with what price is doing, we can see we are learning from the whole strategy now. And wherever makes our support or resistance to be taken out, we are entering a consolidation level. And that means our established range that determines the what is it called? The the consolidation has to be broken and closed above before we can continue to capitalize on it. If not, we will just be wasting our money. And that cost me here yesterday another 0.4% of my account gone from here. So, but having established this level, then I figure out we can kind of pick from that level. So we continue from here. So now, two things we learn from the whole experience. Whatever makes our support store resistance to be taken out, if the two were taken out or are taken out of the market, then we are entering a consolidation level. Then we should establish the high of that level and the low of it, and that give birth to something. Then those two levels will be the level that will be anticipating closure for. Once those levels are being closed, then automatically we know. I mean, we're being closed above or below, then we know that the consolidation is kind of over. But another thing that I discovered from the level is the fact that these levels that we have here, it has to be closed. We have to wait for 4-hour candle to close above and below the level. Now we are dealing with 4-hour something these days. So we have to wait for 4-hour candle to be closed above and below the level. And as you can see on 4-hour here, you can just see it's just weakening through it. So there is no closure above that level. So another thing we can see from the O level now is this, that our anticipated level here has shifted again, that we are waiting for closure on, which means this is the new established range for us to be dealing with, this high and this low. And this is the two levels that we'll be anticipating a closure above and or below. So whichever of this level, whichever one of this level, wherever it is being taken out. So these are the two levels that we are anticipating, and here this level turns to our strong line, and here automatically becomes our strong. So these two levels determines our range. So wherever we see a closure either above or below these two levels on 4-hour, so that will be the determinant of our trade moving forward. So we'll be waiting for these two levels to either be closed above on 4-hour or closed below on 4-hour. So whichever side is being closed either above or below, that will be the determinant of whether we'll be buying or selling in the market. So if peradventure price go above or below the level, then we're going to be, that will be the determinant of whether we're going to be buying or selling from within this level. So that will be our key takeaway today. So the key takeaway from our trade today is the fact that we'll be waiting for either closure above this major lower high, like the strong high, or we'll be waiting for this strong low to be broken. Whichever side is being broken, then it is from within that level that we'll be looking for either opportunity to buy or sell. So I guess that would be additional something to what we've been, our trades that is on, both our limit order and the trades that we are already in. So that will be all, at least for today. Wish us profitable day and have a nice day ahead of us. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Like and follow. See you tomorrow. Thank you.